Losing a loved one without warning is one of the hardest things a family can go through. And when that loss happens because of someone else's actions, a lot of people start asking the same question: who is actually allowed to file a wrongful death lawsuit in South Carolina? Knowing how this works can make it a little easier to move forward while honoring the person you lost. In South Carolina, not just anyone can file a wrongful death claim. The law is very specific about it. Under state law, the lawsuit has to be filed by the personal representative of the person who passed away. This is usually someone named in a will. But if there's no will, a court can appoint someone to take on that role. Even though the personal representative is the one who files, the claim is actually brought on behalf of certain surviving family members. That keeps everything organized and handled the right way under the law. So who benefits from a wrongful death claim? While the personal representative files it, the money recovered is meant to support the surviving family. Usually that includes a spouse and children. If there's no spouse or children, it may go to the parents. And if there are no immediate family members, it can pass to other heirs. Exactly how it's divided depends on the family and the details of the case. The whole point is to provide financial support and recognize the loss felt by close relatives. Now, what does personal representative actually mean? This is the person responsible for handling the legal and administrative side of the estate, including filing the wrongful death lawsuit when it's appropriate. A lot of the time, it's a close family member, but it can also be someone the court appoints. Their job might include gathering information, working with legal professionals, and making sure any compensation gets distributed the way the law requires. You might be wondering why South Carolina requires a personal representative instead of just letting family members file on their own. The reason is that this approach keeps multiple lawsuits from being filed over the same event, and it keeps the case moving forward in one clear, unified way. It also creates a fair system, so any damages awarded can be shared among the eligible family members instead of being tied to just one person's claim. Understanding who can file a wrongful death lawsuit in South Carolina is an important first step for any family dealing with a tragic loss. The personal representative handles the filing, but the real goal is to support the loved ones left behind and address the impact of the loss. You should never have to face a wrongful death claim alone. If you've lost someone, we can help. Reach out to the Columbia wrongful death attorneys at the Stanley Law Group for a consultation and find out how we can help you move forward.